Hello, kidney warriors. Ever wondered how something as simple as baking soda, found right in your kitchen cabinet, could actually be used to tackle complicated situations like metabolic acidosis, common amongst all the kidney failure patients? Yes, you heard it right. But before diving deep into this topic, we need to understand what actually is metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis is a situation that occurs when there is an imbalance of acid and base levels in the blood. But now you must be thinking that why this problem is so common in kidney patients. Actually, this happens because in a kidney failure patient, the kidneys are not working as they should. Think of it like this. The kidneys are like the body's filtration system, helping to clean out waste and maintain the right balance of chemicals in the blood. But when the kidneys can't remove certain acids from the body, these acids begin to accumulate, disturbing the body's balance and making the blood more acidic. Owing to this situation, the patient may experience more problems such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and confusion. If left untreated, it can even lead to life-threatening complications. Now, you may be wondering how baking soda, a common household ingredient, can help with this complex medical condition. So, the magic lies in its chemistry. Baking soda reacts with the excess acid present in body and turns it into water and carbon dioxide, basically harmless stuff that your body can easily handle. If talking about the scientific process behind this, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has alkaline properties and balances the pH levels in the body by neutralizing the excess acid in the blood. Moving further, before you start using baking soda for your health issue, it is essential to consult your doctor for its right dosage and frequency. Generally, a CKD patient can take up to half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water once a day. It is crucial to follow the recommended dosage as too much baking soda can cause side effects like nausea and vomiting. Moreover, you will shock to know that, besides its pH balancing powers, baking soda can offer other benefits to CKD patients, acting as a versatile tool for them. Let's see what are those other benefits. First, it eases the discomfort of certain CKD-related issues like heartburn or acid reflux, providing relief from the painful burning sensation in the chest and making the patient feel much better. Second, baking soda can also be used to control the increasing potassium levels in a CKD patient. And last but not the least, many studies have shown that baking soda may help reduce inflammation and preserve kidney function over time, helping CKD patients to combat their kidney journey. So this was all about the benefits of baking soda for a kidney patient, specifically its crucial role in the management of metabolic acidosis. But, as excess of anything can be harmful, it is essential to be cautious while using baking soda. Here are some precautions. People with high blood pressure or heart problems should consult their doctor before taking baking soda, as it can increase blood pressure. Also, long-term and excessive use of baking soda can lead to electrolyte imbalances, which can be harmful to CKD patients. Concluding this video, baking soda emerges as a promising, natural remedy for metabolic acidosis in CKD patients. Its alkaline nature aids in restoring pH balance and enhancing kidney function. However, one should always be cautious about its appropriate doses and should seek medical advice before incorporating it into the treatment regimen. We trust this video provided valuable insights. Stay connected for more such helpful content for your health. Stay healthy, stay informed.